Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this video I am trying to make a wearable Eid look for you guys. I know there is lockdown, nobody could go anywhere, but still I wanted some, like, if you are like me, if you like to get ready on Eid day morning, so this look is very easy and simple, so you can try it out. You can wear any dress and accordingly you can go with eye makeup. So as you know that it's summertime and summer is badly hitting us, so we need to keep that in mind while doing our makeup, so that our makeup does not like come out with the sweat. So let's get started. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment down what looks you want to see next. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step would be moisturization. Yes, in summer also you need to moisturize, and you should look for a moisturizer that has sunscreen as well. So this I'm using this Mamaearth oil free face moisturizer. It's very nice and with apple cider vinegar, and it's like paraben free and also good for the skin, and smells also nice. I'll just take a little bit. It goes a long way. Okay. So I'll just not show only the look, makeup and all. I'll show the hairstyle as well as jewelry options also, so that it's easier for you. By the way, I'm wearing this gown, blue color gown, navy blue. So accordingly we'll do the makeup. So the moisturization is done and the skin looks good already. So lips also need to get hydrated, so I'm using this Nivea lip balm. Okay, this is done. Now we'll move on to the next step. So the thing different I'm going to do today is that first I'll take the compact. I'm having this Maybelline Super Fresh compact. I'll take a brush and I'll just apply this compact on my face. This will just ensure that there is no sweat. You can apply as much as you want. Like if you don't sweat, then it's not an issue, but people like me who sweat a lot, then this is the best thing you can do. So you can just feel the difference after applying compact. Like already your skin is very mattified. Okay, so the next step for foundation, like we are not going full coverage, we'll just give a little bit of coverage. You can see the difference. Because you have applied compact, your foundation is also blending nicely. You can use this kind of brush for foundation blending. It's very nice, and you should hold this like this. And you should blend very well. So our foundation has been blended. I'm not going for too heavy look, but still you have to conceal the eyes, because eyes need to look good. Like at least the eye makeup should look different from others. So I'll just apply concealer a little bit. This will go a long way, you can see. see my eyes now. Okay, so we can start with the eye makeup first. So today I'll be going for a blue smoky eye kind of look. So first we'll give the base shade. For base shade we'll like take a peachish brownish color and just apply it all over. Your makeup always should be simple to be like easily and simply done, but it should look like you've put a lot of effort in that. See, it makes a difference in the eyes. When you look up close, you will see that. Okay, now on top of this, like to deepen the outer V, a darker shade you have to take of brown only. See, this shade right here I have taken. This is the way smoky eye is done. This will give a shape to the eyes. You have to blend it here. Okay, so now the main shade which you want to apply. So I'll be taking a brown from the another palette. This palette, my Sephora Neons, this has this blue shade right here. It's very pretty. So I'll just take that and apply it on the lids. It's not supremely pigmented, but I like those colors which are not very pigmented because you can build them up like as much as you want. So on top of that I'll take this shimmer blue shade with the finger and I'll just apply it on this blue. See, this is how it looks like. With finger you get very good pigmentation. So again we'll take that brush and just blend these together. Okay, so that's our eye look and it's very simple but very like different from normal ones. Okay, so now we'll complete the eyes. See, if you feel like you are sweating somewhere, then you should immediately apply powder there. Otherwise it will crease the whole look. I have not applied primer because in summers I don't like using primers. So I'll just apply a liner and I'll be back. So the liner is done. I've applied it a thick wing. So let's move on to kajal. So it's your personal preference. If you like kajal, you can use it. If you don't, then you can skip it. I like thick kajal. Our kajal is also done and you can see how pretty the eyes look. I have applied mascara off camera as well. So let's move on to the rest of the face. So I'll just add a little bit of blush. Okay, blush is done. Now I'll move on to highlight. So on occasions like Eid and all, you can go with a golden and like rose gold highlight that looks good with ethnic wear according to me. So I'm doing that only. I'm taking this highlighter here. You can apply it here mainly because these are the high points. and on the nose. Okay, so highlighter is done. It looks decent, like for day and for at home makeup this is good. So you can just like fill in the brows. I'll do that off camera. The brows are done, and now we are just left with the lip color. So for lip color, like you can choose according to your dress. So I will be like lining my lips with a brown lip pencil first. And we are going for mix of two colors. I'll take this pink from Swiss Beauty. It's the Hot Pink 219. So this is a muted kind of pink shade. But when you build it up, it turns to a brighter pink. So you can leave it as it is, or you can top it up with a nude shade, or you can top it up with a red, like hint of red. So this is how the shade has turned out. And this is the overall makeup look. So now we'll go for the hair. Makeup you can add and subtract according to your choice. Like I just love this kind of look. So for hair, like I am doing is just sideways partition of hair, simple and basic, like nothing too much, and I'll just comb it. You can like do different hairstyles, like if you like and you know to do hairstyles. I'm not that expert with hairstyles. And for jewelry, like I'm going with minimal. Like I have these tassel earrings. These are a navy blue color I choose for this dress specifically. So this is how it looks. So I'll just wear them. First let me open. So this is how they look, and it has instantly put the look together. You can like change the lipstick accordingly according to the day and night time. And if you're going out somewhere, then you can go for a brighter red instead. But your eyes are loud, so no need for a bold lip instead. So that's our completed look. So I hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.